I learned how to use my creative ability. You just think of it. Look at it this way. Imagine that which one will be more difficult? I use my mind, thinking of how to take care of my wife, thinking of how to take care of my children, thinking how to take care of my family. If you add everybody that's in this group, they're not up to 100. Even extended family, put left, right, center, they're not up to 100. Then I now use my mind to think of how to win the world. Which one will expand my mind more? Who understands that? Which one will expand my mind? When I'm thinking of myself and my children, I'll be working so hard for so little. When I think of God's dream opens my heart, opens my mind. Now, my family will be so small in comparison to God's dream that without me thinking, it's taken care of. I say there's a temptation. I remember when I started learning these things. Because not everybody will live like this. People want to live the other way. They think it's easy, but it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. God made you an ambassador. He made you an ambassador. This is just introductory. I'm praying that God, and you'll be praying too, that God will help me bring to you all that you need. Because this month, through the teachings you are receiving, if we project in the next 60 days, your life is supposed to be different.